So this section is called Start With What You Have. I'm going to read the first paragraph so that you understand what the point of this section is. One of the biggest traps people fall into is fixating on what they lack rather than what they have. The future is full of possibilities, but your starting point is always right where you are. Stop waiting for better conditions. Turn your gaze to your current options and act. Look around you. What do you have at your disposal today? What tools, resources, and opportunities can you seize right now to start your creative journey? In the context of public relations or perception management, your initial moves in your career are like a foundation. The image you project in these early stages will influence how you're seen in the industry. Starting with what you have might not be glamorous, but with consistency and focus, you will build a reputation over time. The early stages of your career, whether you're starting with a camera, phone, a borrowed computer, or basic materials, are when you craft the first layer of your public image. So essentially, the point of this part is that you have enough right now. You might not believe that you have enough, but realize that you might be able to grab your mom's phone and crank out a 1080p video. It's enough. My very first course I recorded on a Samsung Galaxy A12. No one could even tell because one would assume that I have a professional camera simply because of my composure, my aura. Whatever you have, it is enough. You need to override the urge to have more equipment or to be at a better place or to be in a better situation in order to start. Starting is starting. Anything else is not starting. This is the point of this chapter.